Good morning, students. Welcome to the next session of your computer course. We are going to start with chapter number 8. This is the name of the chapter is Introduction to Impress. This is for class 4, subject computer. We are going to start with chapter number 8, Introduction to Impress. Before starting with any of the topic, any of the content, I would like to discuss about the term presentation. What is presentation? Presentation is basically a method of displaying the information with the help of picture, sound, map, charts, audio, video, text using such graphical segments. So what is a presentation? Presentation is a way or a method of displaying information with the help of text, chart, pictures, drawings, sound, video, text, which we in short we mention it as graphical entities. Why we use a presentation? You have seen different kind of presentation on your television also and during your school time also, where certain informations are being flashed or being displayed on the board or on the screen by supporting pictures, sound and everything, which makes it attractive. The content which is attractive is easy to learn, is easy to grasp. Hence, presentation is an effective method or an effective way of displaying or broadcasting your information or delivering your information to the audience. Why we are talking about presentation? Because the software which we are talking about or the program application which we are talking about is Impress, and Impress is a presentation software or a presentation application which is capable of helping you out to make presentations. Impress is a program available with your Ubuntu software. It's available with your Ubuntu software, like we have discussed. Now, Ubuntu, as we know that the Ubuntu will have the different programs like your what we have done in previous LibreOffice Writer, which was a text editor. Similarly, the presentation software available with this operating system, that is Ubuntu operating system, is known as Impress. Similar presentation software we are having in with Windows operating systems also, which basically everyone has in their laptop or system. Windows operating system, the name of the presentation software is MS PowerPoint. Now, these presentations are consist of different pages, or you can say different segments, different pages, and these pages are known as slides. It is similar whether it is in MS PowerPoint or it is in Impress. The individual pages, like on your notebook itself, the individual pages of your notebook, okay, such individual pages in this programming software is known as slides. An individual page on which the contents are displayed, individual page is known as slide, and the combination of or the collection of such slides, which is formed on a common topic. The collection of such slides, when run together or when presented together in a form of series, is known as slide show. These are some basic terminologies which we will be using during the chapter. Presentation, effective way of communicating or displaying your information by using the different multimedia or graphical entities like sound, picture, audio, text, videos, etc. The presentation software which we are talking about right now comes in Edumon2 operating system. The program name is Impress. Similar presentation software is available in your Windows operating system also, which is known as MS PowerPoint. The individual pages on which we display the information are known as slides, and the combination of such slides, more than one slides, when run together in a particular series or order, are known as slide show. So this is something, the basic terminology. The contents which we are going to learn in this chapter is somewhat similar what we have learned in LibreOffice Writer, like the components of the window, then how to open and how to save the file or the document, how to edit the file, how to close the file. Such similar topics will be studied in this chapter also, but with reference to the application software Impress. So what we have, the first is how we can start Impress program. We will be learning how we can start LibreOffice Impress or the Impress application. When we are talking in previous, we had to go on the dash icon, we have to click on the search bar, we have to write LibreOffice Impress. The program icon will be displayed. You click on it and the program will get open in front of you on your screen. Then we are going to study about the different components of Impress window. What are the different components which are available? Like we have done in the previous chapter also, LibreOffice, the commonly found parts are title bar, standard toolbar, slide pane, drawing toolbar, status bar, workspace, slide bar. So these are basically the different components which you will be which you can find when you will open the Impress application software. These are the different components, or you can say the different segments of the screen in which the application part is being divided. Each and every part has its own significance, its own working, its own importance. So we'll be discussing about one by one during the chapter. After this, we will have how we can create a slide or a new presentation, how we can start or how we can make or create a presentation. Okay, once we have made it, how we can save the presentation properly so that it can be recalled or accessed later on whenever we want. How we can close the Impress program. How we can open a previously saved presentation which we have saved earlier, how we can recall it or how we can open it. Once we have opened, how we can edit the presentation. These all are small topics just divided into different categories, or you can say different headlines. Okay. After that, how we can view a slideshow. The slideshow, the slides which we had made, how we can view it, how we can make the slideshow start. Okay, so the slides which we have formed, how we can merge them, how we can make it in a slide, and how the slideshow will start and stop. This all can be done in viewing a slideshow. And the last is how you can exit the Impress program. So these are the topics which will be covered in today's session or in this chapter. Just for the recall purpose, we are going to start with a new program, that is Impress chapter number 8, Introduction to Impress. Before starting or describing about Impress, Impress is a presentation program or a software which makes presentation. Presentation is what? It is the method of displaying or providing the information with the help of the different components like picture, text, music, sound, videos, etc. Once we have understood about Impress, then how we can start the Impress, what are the different components of the Impress window, how we can create a new presentation, how we can save the presentation, how we can close the Impress, okay, how we can open a saved presentation, how we can edit it, how we can view the slideshow, and last, how we can exit the Impress program. These are the topics which will be covered in today's upcoming videos. I would request kindly watch the upcoming videos. In case of any doubts or queries, kindly put it on the group. We will be happy to resolve you out. I think that there will be no confusion in the briefing of the chapter. For today, thank you. Take care.